Well, of course, this June 12 will be our Independence Day, and of course, the symbol of our country would be the Philippine flag. But not many people know that we need to dispose worn out or dilapidated flags or kahit yung mga kumupas na ng mga flag properly. And that will be really shown in this event this afternoon. Na ipakita yung tamang pagdidispose ng ating flag. Of course, nakasaad sa batas na kailangan i-burn. But hopefully, in the very near future, we can actually modify the law by repurposing this flag for better use, especially on our advocacy on circular economy.
Right now,
Well, una-una, sana hindi masayang na susunugin na lang. Na dapat magamit yung mga thread na ginamit dito kasi kailangan nating ipakita na may purpose pa rin kahit hindi na magamit as flag, na magagamit pa natin ito sa iba. Hindi yung susunugin lamang. Ito yung essentially gusto nating mabago.
Sure.
hindi siya polyester.
Noong unang panahon, cotton naman yung ating
Yun,
sinulit.
opo.
So marami nang nagbago.
Yes po.
So at luma na yung ating batas kaya kailangan nating baguhin. At magamit na natin ng tama, especially now na ayaw natin na may plastic ang ating mga gamit kasi nakakasama sa ating environment. So we need to make sure that the new law will be able to also not only honor our flag but make sure that our advocacy to the use of lesser plastic and natural fiber will be promoted. Well, pwedeng gamitin sa ibang pamamaraan so that we can repurpose it and use it for better, for the benefit of mga gumagamit. Kaysa sunugin lang sayang.
Opo, and PTRI will spearhead po
Yes.
hopefully that.
PTRI talaga ang nag-initiate nito at nakita na beyond the traditional use of the flag, the threads can be used for other purposes. Especially now that we're promoting circular economy and making sure that we protect and manage our environment well.
Sir, since nakapaloob din sa Heraldic Code yung way of pag-handle ng flag, right?
Yes.
So, doon lang po yung amendment lang nakafocus lang tayo dun, sir, sa disposal.
Yes, most likely. But of course, as that law will be modified, then there can be other things that can be discussed by the lawmakers.
Opo, okay.